Welcome back to my channel, Low Carb Wishes, Keto Dreams. My name is Heather. I'm just doing a little quick check-in today. It is Wednesday. It's Wednesday. We're just gonna go with, I have no idea what date it is today. So it's Wednesday. It is Wednesday. Weighed myself yesterday and I am back down to 290. 290.8, I believe it was, 8 or 6. So most of the holiday weight is gone. Yay! So we'll see how it goes. I was kind of laughing with my daughter last night. I got a watch for Christmas for my folks, and it's a nice Seiko. It's got like Swarovski crystal around the face of it, and it's a really pretty watch. But when they gave it to me initially, it was at Christmas, so I was all bloated and nasty, and it fit, but it was a little tight. And I knew I'd lose that water weight, but I was sitting in the car last night taking my daughter to Girl Scouts, and it's actually, I could spin it around my wrist, so we may end up having to take out a link pretty soon, which, yay, non-skill victories, woohoo! So my life update. Last week was the official first week of homeschooling our daughter. We have an assessment today, actually, to see if she is a right fit for the intensive outpatient therapy for her OCD. So hopefully next week she will be in treatment for that. But we actually started homeschooling her last week. And for us right now, we're not doing like a full curriculum. We really just wanted her to keep up with her academics. Math, she's in Algebra 2, World History. We changed her science. She initially had physics. But it's another heavy math, really. I mean, physics is the science of math, which is why it's considered a science, but it's got a lot of math, and it just was way over my head, and wasn't really where her passion lies. So we switched to biology, basically, which is more up her alley. She likes that sort of thing. Science, and I have a feeling she'll probably like chemistry too. What was the other one? Oh, English. English is the only thing that like Khan Academy doesn't have. So I'm having to come up with curriculum. I'm gonna download. I think I'm probably gonna download it. I have to talk to my husband about it. But there is we're gonna read The Martian, which is the one that was it Matt Damon played in last year, year before, and I've been able to find like a whole curriculum around it online. So essay writing and that sort of thing that she needs to keep up on. So we'll probably do that one, and then their world history is okay, but it like some of it's really short, like it just sort of like a video skims over it. So we're gonna pull some supplemental information regarding the things that are just short little videos, because I know like YouTube's got tons of great resources for that as well. So morning time, having a cup of coffee, that's it at this point. I've got a bunch of avocados I need to eat up. I had one yesterday for breakfast. I'm probably going to do it again. I just sliced up the avocado and then I have like a cream cheese and sour cream dip mixture that I put over top. It's 1-to-1 ratio of cream cheese and sour cream. I just did a block and a cup of each. And what else? I did a little bit of lime juice. Actually, I used the packets of True Lime. So a little bit of lime and a few shakes of like Crystal hot sauce, or one of those not real spicy hot sauce. I mean, you could use those, but it's a little more vinegar than spice. So, but it's good. It tastes really good, and it's good over avocados. So I will probably have that for breakfast again today. If I do, I will show you. I don't know. I may just fast. I feel like a little something here. I don't know. I mean, I don't know if you can hear it in my voice or not, but I'm like, what the heck? I go, I'm like never sick. And then it's all of a sudden the last month I've had like 2 or 3 things of just weird crap pop up. So, I don't know. But I figured I'd do a little quick check-in video. Just sort of filling you in on life at this point. You know, our homeschooling's going pretty good. I was able to find, had an old book from back when I was like in middle school. My dad got me for vocabulary, and it's like an SAT prep sort of thing. It's like 1,000 words you need to know, sort of booklet. So it's got grammar and questions and answers, and so we figured that that'd be good for vocabulary, for her, just to sort of broaden her. I looked at it and I'm like, a lot of these words I know she knows, but then they have like a smattering, particularly in the beginning chapters, they have like a smattering of words that I'm like, I'm not sure I know what that one means. So I think that'll be good for vocabulary, and then we'll do the Martian for like a deeper curriculum. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's been going pretty good, and actually it seems like now that she's out of school and sort of doing things at her own pace, a lot of the pressure's off of her, and we haven't really had too many issues. I think like the first week we did a couple of days, and then it's just sort of petered out. She said last night that she could listen to music on the radio comfortably again without like freaking like content of certain things makes her feel off. And she was able to actually listen to music on the radio again. That was something I didn't even know, excuse me. I didn't even know she was having an issue with. So, hopefully tonight we'll know more. I will fill you in when I know more. So we'll talk to you later. Bye. Good evening, everyone. It is Thursday, next day. Happy Thursday. I'm just checking in. I think I ended yesterday's video. I haven't even gone back and looked at it yet. I think I ended yesterday's video just letting you all know that our daughter was going in for assessments yesterday for her OCD. So that's an interesting story. So we went in, the whole point was her current counselor had advised us that she thought that the IOP, which is the intensive outpatient therapy, would be very beneficial for Autumn. So we contacted our insurance and got numbers for places, and went to the one that was recommended to us by our insurance company. And come to find out, we went through the assessment, and we must have spent 30, 45 minutes in the room with the lady, kind of going through her symptoms and what we'd been through and all of this stuff. And she asks, so what are you looking for in treatment? Why? I guess she couldn't really understand why we were leaving one counselor and coming to a different one, because then you're like starting over from square one. So what are we looking for? And I said, well, our other counselor actually advised us that the IOP would be helpful for our daughter, and that's why we're here. And she looks at us with this not blank stare, but just like, we don't do IOP here. And I'm like, I'm sorry, what? So we spent 2 hours of our day driving to this place, driving back, and sitting in the waiting room and going through this whole shebang, only to find out they don't do IOP anymore. They used to like a year ago. They don't anymore. So I was going to contact the insurance company today and see if there was, because we were looking at the Rogers Center and see if, because the group we were directed towards doesn't do it anymore, if they'll go ahead and cover the Rogers Center. But This morning, the start of my day was my daughter coming into our bedroom at like 5:30 this morning, my eldest, obviously, coming into our bedroom at 5:30 this morning going, "Mom, I just threw up in my bed." And that's been the day, pretty much. I ended up getting some shopping done, and we basically spent the day cleaning her bed and washing sheets and, doing all that jazz. So, tomorrow is another day, and hopefully it will be a better one. It's food day tomorrow, so I'll be going and picking up stuff for that. I had to go to Walmart today and get stuff for the baby. So it's been kind of a mess here. I wanted to do like a full day of eating and maybe like a recipe for you guys, and that just didn't happen. So that's pretty much that front for there. We didn't really make her do any work in her homeschooling today because, she wasn't feeling good. So there you go. But yeah, my weight, actually, I weighed myself again today. I know I did it yesterday, but weighed myself again, and I was down to 288.8. So 2888. So I am back down to my pre-holiday weight, and hopefully we'll still keep going. I know, I'm looking over at my stove because this morning for breakfast I had 2 eggs. What was it? It was 2 eggs, a couple pieces of bacon, like half an avocado, and some like sauteed cauliflower rice in the pan. And then tonight I had the second half of that cauliflower bag with I did like a pork fried rice with broccoli, and that was tasty. So that was pretty much it for my eating today. It's been a day. So if it's not one thing, it's another. So I'm hoping to have maybe a full day of eating tomorrow. That'd be nice. But we'll see. I'll try and post something this weekend. So we will talk to you later. That's all the news I got with my daughter so far. She's we're still keeping on. So I gotta call our insurance in the morning, and hopefully they can do something for us on that front. So we'll see. And we will talk to you later.